Good morning. So, it's been a while since I last vlogged. Nakakapanibago pala talaga to stop for a little bit and then pick it up again to catch everyone up and myself up, because mainly I will be the one watching this vlog naman. Medyo maraming nangyari. We took our entire family on a Singapore trip to celebrate Tita Liling's 60th birthday. I think we will post that vlog before this one goes up, but yeah, super fun time with the family. So, it was to celebrate her 60th birthday, and also sinabay na rin namin yung birthday ni Tita Tata, and it was also Julius, siya yung bunso namin, my younger brother-in-law. It was his first time traveling abroad with his girlfriend. So, it was such a fun time. One thing that I did not mention is nung September last year, we went to an event for franchises in the Philippines. It's called Franchise FPA or something, Franchise Association of the Philippines. Ang husband ko talaga nag-introduce sa akin ito. Meron siyang na-try na pagkain. It's called Lingnam Fried Siopaw. From one of their team lunches, I think yung teammate niya nagdala sa opisina nila. Tapos nasubukan niya, he's not a siopaw eater. Hindi talaga siya kumakain ng siopaw. Pero nung na-try niya yun, gustong-gusto niya talaga. And there was a time, I remember, he was trying to get it delivered here sa condo. Kasi nga, he really liked it and he wanted me to try it. Kaso medyo mahirap because at that time, wala pa masyadong nag-o-offer na malapit sa amin ng Lingnam Fried Siopaw. So, yun, nakalimutan na namin yun. Tapos nakita namin nag-o-offer sila ng franchise. So we sat down with one of their staff. Tapos ayun, nagtanong-tanong lang kami. Ang ending, because we were so excited because I got to try it. Tapos nung na-try ko, sabi ko sa kanya, wow, sarap naman ito. Kakaibang siopaw to. First time ko nakatry ng ganitong siopaw. Sabi namin, titingin lang kami. Pero nag-down payment kami. Maliit lang naman yung down payment. Pero syempre, committed ka na noon na mag-start ng business. Yeah, inasikaso namin yung sa business namin. So that started in January, February, March. Kasi ang pinakauna talagang phase ng pag-open up ng business. Apart from, paying the down payment. Dun sa franchisor ninyo, tapos signing a couple of documents to make it official. You also need to find a location where you will put up your franchise or yung store mo. So, babe, ang ginagawa natin?
Pa-park.
Yeah, pa-park lang. Paikutin mo.
Paikutan mo.
Ay, walang option na babaligtad. Ganun yung Blackpink eh.
Parang parang pista.
Game.
Hindi ko pa pala nalulunod.
So we did end up finding a location which we're gonna visit. Actually, this is also the reason why naisip ko mag-vlog today. We're gonna visit that location later kasi nag-start na kami ng construction ng kiosk. So hopefully may mapapakita na ako sa inyo mamaya na itsura ng kiosk. It's our first time visiting it since we met with the leasing officer. It's in Ayala Feliz, sa food court, sa 4th floor. Ito yung pwesto namin, sa 4th floor, sa Food Choices, or yung food court sa Ayala Feliz. Ngayon, yun yung entrance dun sa dulo. If you're coming from the main, yung central area, pero meron ding daan dito. And then yung katabi niya yung mga parang game zone. So dito yung ni-request namin na spot. Ito yung dating shop. So, wala pa. Hindi pa nila na ilagay or hindi pa nila natibag. Good morning! So, today is Wednesday, June 26. It's 10:28 a.m. Kita niyo yung aking wallpaper. we are on our way to Ayala Feliz to check out our kiosk. Actually, secondary lang yun. Ang plano talaga namin today is to meet our staff for the first time in person. Ang pinakauna naming hire si Jackie. And then, through her na-interview namin yung isang friend niya. Dati niya ang co-worker sa past company sa pinagtrabahuan niya. Tapos, ni-refer niya sa amin. Thankfully, it all worked out and we also hired her. Her name is May. So, naisip namin na before mag-open yung kiosk, medyo malapit na kasi mag-open. Napaaga, actually. Maganda sana na ma-meet namin in person yung team. Kasi hindi pa namin talaga sila nakikita ng personal. Say hi sa vlog. Ay, si Jackie and May. Ayan. Ito na yung kiosk. So, hindi pa nakalagay yung equipment. But, ayan na yung tsura niya. Sarap. Dito na kami sa Ayala Feliz. Makain muna kami. We're at Mama Luz. So, Italian food. May amatriciana si Carly, but this is the ano ba yun? Fennel sausage and mussels. Syempre, calamari, and then soup. Anyway, kakain muna kami. And then later, punta na kami sa kiosk. Okay, so ayan na siya. Nadagdagan nitong parang glass casing. Wala pa masyadong, hindi pa complete. Ito, ilaw to eh. Ayan, logo namin. Fingers crossed. Sana maging successful. It's T minus how many days?
2?
2 days. Yeah, before the official launch, no? Come Saturday morning, pag open ng Ayala Feliz, officially naka-launch na yung store namin. Kaya kami nandito today kasi magpapaprint kami ng QR code para sa book of accounts. Afterwards, pupunta din kami sa National Bookstore. Yeah, to buy supplies. Kasi syempre, kailangan nila ng calculator, kailangan nila ng ballpen. They also need a pad of paper. They probably need sticky notes. So, ina-anticipate namin yung supplies na kakailanganin sa store. Yeah, so we're gonna buy that later. Ito. Yeah. 2 pen. Kami. It's 3:24 p.m. And yay! Successful first day. Successful and chaotic first day. Grabe talaga from yung inaasikaso ng husband ko na Grab kasi nagkaroon ng problem dun sa menu. Inaayos niya yung menu ng store kasi syempre maganda yung merong high resolution photos para may kumbaga na-imagine na nila yung food. Kapag in-upload niya, nagka-technical error. Kapag ina-upload niya, nade-delete. Yun pala may problem sa dimensions nung picture. Kaya siya nade-delete. Tapos, after nun, yun nga yung sa delivery ng soy coolers. Hirap na hirap kami makakuha ng magpipick up kasi madami siya isang box. Tapos, mabibigat dahil nga inumin. So, nung na-resolve na yun, biglang hindi gumagana yung yung dalawang freezer, yung dalawang ref namin, yung freezer na lalagyan ng Chocopow. Tapos, na lahat ng buong inventory namin nandun. Tapos, pati yung chiller na para sa drink sana, hindi din gumagana. Just, talaga. Nakakaloka talaga. Tapos, nagka-problem pa kami dun sa cellphone. Bago yung phone number tsaka yung cellphone, di ba? Yun pala kailangan mong i-register. Niloadan namin yung phone, hindi makapag-text, pero nakaka-receive ng text. Hindi makapag-text, hindi din makatawag. Syempre, kailangan nila, diba? Kung kunwari may aberya sa order ng customer. Thankfully, grabe, wala akong masabi talaga sa husband ko. Number 1, best problem solver na kilala ko, ang asawa ko. Wala pa akong binigay sa kanya ng problema na hindi niya nagawa ng paraan. Kasi puro problema na yung binibigay ko sa kanya di ba, babe? Yun, grabe lang talaga tong first day na to. Pero na-survive namin, tsaka na-resolve lahat ng mga aberya. So, I'm really happy. Tapos, ang daming tao, nakakatuwa. At saka isa pang, kinakatuwa namin, kasi nga nag-observe kami. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung pinakauna nating customer. Pinicture lang ko yung pinakauna naming customer. Maligo muna ako, tapos saka ako pipiliting matulog. Sana makatulog ako dahil sobrang excited ako. Ayun din may isip ko na parang, oh my gosh, pagkagising ko mamaya, sarado na yung store, officially concluded na yung first day. Ilang kaya yung nabenta na? Kanina, nung nakaalis na kami, I think nasa 100 pieces na eh. Close to 100 pieces na yung nabenta namin. Kasi 5 na boxes plus yung mga individual na nagtatry, dumadaan, tapos nagtatry sila ng Shoppa.
5 pa lang ba? Naka 6 na.
Naka 6 na pala. 6 boxes na pala. Mali yung bilang ko. Ay, okay. Successful first day. Super happy. Sana magtuloy-tuloy. Really happy. Peace. Yay! That's us!